Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. We are starting today's video off with a little PR unboxing. I am so excited about this. This is a little sampling of the Culler Beauty products. Culler, not like color, Culler, C-U-L-L-E-R. And this is a brand that's new to me, but it sounds so cool. So they have a self-adjusting foundation that is supposed to adjust to your perfect color. And if you're like me and you like to wear foundation, you know the struggle of finding your perfect match. And this is supposed to just be adjusting foundation, and I am so intrigued. I have never tried out a foundation like this, so I can't wait to see how this is going to work, how it's going to look. So it only comes in two different shades. It comes in a light shade and a darker shade. And of course I have the light shade here. So this is what I'm going to be trying out today because I'm just way too excited and I have to try this out right away. But they also sent over the Transformation Primer, which I am definitely going to be trying out in a future video. I love trying out primers. And they sent me their Lash Enhancer, which is another essential product in actually my makeup routine and my skincare routine. I use a lash serum. Actually, this is literally what I have right now in my routine. A lash serum that just goes on the base of my lashes, a lash serum that goes on my actual lashes, kind of like a clear mascara. I use both of those every night, and then every day before I put on my mascara, I use the Lancome Mascara Primer. And this sounds like it combines all three of those in one because it's your Lash Enhancer serum that you put under your mascara. So I'm so excited to try this one out as well. So we'll look forward to those in future videos, but today I am going to be trying out the self-adjusting foundation. It has color reveal technology, it's paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and it costs $39.95 per bottle. And it has SPF 50 in it, which I am so excited to see. I love finding high SPF foundations. So I also saw that this is available at Amazon, which I love to see. Very convenient. So here is what the packaging looks like. Let's check it out. Okay, there's a little pump. So the instructions say to apply it with your fingers, and as you're blending it in, it breaks down the particles, whatever, to match the skin tone. So typically I use a dampened sponge, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply with my fingers to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump a little onto my finger here. Oh my gosh, look at it. It comes out looking completely white. Here you can see what it looks like initially, and it's running down my finger too, so it's a pretty thin formula. Wow, okay, this is very interesting. It actually is white, but it has like little visible like particle pieces in it. Okay, let's watch closely to see if it transforms. Wow, I mean, it has the texture of a lotion. I don't know if I took too much or too little. Look, it's changing color. This is wild. I have never seen anything like this before. I have so many different colors in my face, like the redness, this coloration. But look, as I'm blending it in, it really does seem to be matching pretty nicely. I do feel like the undertone is a bit yellow for my more pink undertone, but that's not bad. I can definitely see, so without it, with it, but that is a good match, like to my neck. Not bad. I am going to now pick up my dampened sponge here because it's looking pretty well blended with my finger, but I just like to tap on top of it just to remove any of those finger marks. And I think one pump was probably the perfect amount for half of my face. And I would say I'm at about a light to medium coverage, but it looks very natural texture on my skin. I feel like with it blended out now and pretty much a perfect match, like it really does suit my skin tone so nicely. I would say it kind of reminds me of like a tinted moisturizer, and it also has that sun protection, which is great. But like I can still see like redness peeking through, but it looks natural and it definitely evened out my skin tone compared to without it. And it really, like, it claims to be moisturizing, and it definitely is. It's nice and hydrating. Wow. I am very excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and take another pump on my other side of the face. It's just so crazy how it goes on completely white, and then we just watch it change color like magic. And you do not have to wear the primer underneath it in order to activate the color changing. So I actually did not put any primer on because I wanted to see how this was just on my bare skin. And it works great. Like, it has decent pigment to it. Like, that's some full coverage here, but then I'm blending it out a little bit more sheer. But wow. I was definitely a little worried about this, but I love it. I love the shade for me. I think the shade that it turns into is probably like a shade or two darker than what I typically purchase. But I mean, just blending it down my neck a little bit, it really does look like my perfect shade. Like, I will continue wearing this as a daily foundation because it seriously is the perfect shade for me. As it should be, because it's self-adjusting. I don't know how they do it. But this is a better shade match than other foundations that I have bought for myself, for sure. And the fact that it does not look at all cakey. It looks smooth, natural, like a perfect light to medium kind of tinted moisturizer look with that added sun protection. I think this also has nourishing anti-aging skin benefits to it as well, which I love when my products have extra benefits, especially if it is a higher price point. $39.95. That's not crazy for a foundation, but it's definitely on the pricier side. And what do you think? Foundation applied. No denying, the shade is like spot on. And that it started out from completely white. Like, that is incredible. Wow, I could have been setting myself up for a big product failure in this video, but it is absolutely the opposite. My skin looks so improved. It has a natural radiance glow. Like, it's not matte, but it's not too dewy. It looks really healthy, evened out, feels completely lightweight, comfortable, hydrating on my skin. So, wow. I am, of course, going to continue wearing this for the rest of the day, and I will update you in the description down below with my wear test. But oh my gosh, I am very hopeful that this is going to be a new go-to foundation for me. Holy moly, I am absolutely blown away. So excited about this. I highly recommend you trying it out. If you have tried this out already, please let us know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. Did it work for you? But I absolutely love trying out new, unique, fun makeup products. And after 1,000 332 days of this series, it's so exciting to me that there are still fun and new and innovative products for me to try out. And this is absolutely one of them. I'm so glad I have more products from this brand, Culler Beauty, because I am so excited about this brand. So I'm really excited to try out those other products. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.